Hi everyone, I'm getting ready to make a birthday treat for Buddy. He's going to be turning 10 years old. We got him when he was 2. Best decision in our life. He's actually a big part of our family. So today I'll be making him beef and vegetable jerky sticks for dogs. What all goes into the beef and vegetable jerky sticks for dogs? 1 pound lean ground beef, 1/2 cup finely chopped spinach or kale, and I have baby spinach, 1/4 cup grated carrots, 1/4 cup oat flour or plain rolled oats blended into flour, and I did blend mine, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, and 1 egg. So let's begin. So take a large bowl, put in your ground beef. It's supposed to be lean. This is 93.7. And your 1/2 cup finely chopped spinach. Hopefully that's finely chopped enough. I am kind of worried I'll be using my jerky gun, and I'm hoping that none of this will clog up because of the extra stuff added. The 1/4 cup grated carrots. The 1/4 cup oat flour. Okay, the 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. And the 1 egg. And mix that all together like you would with a meatloaf. You can use gloves, you can use a spoon. I washed my hands. I like to be able to feel what I'm doing as to how well it's mixed. I did take off my jewelry just so there's no contamination. And mix that until it's thoroughly mixed and everything is pretty much evenly distributed. I'll be trying to use the jerky gun that Dave got me. I will enclose the link of the unboxing down below. Never used it yet, so we will learn on this together. Preheat your oven to 170 or until it's as low as it can go. All right, wish me luck on using this for the very first time. What we'll be needing is the gun, the plunger to push it in, and the nozzle, and I'm using the jerky flat stick nozzle. What we are supposed to do, if I read it right, you push this thing in and pull the nozzle back as far as it can go. Then you want to take this black piece off, and that's what you can see. It is a tube. Enough of that. Everybody knows what a tube looks like. I'm just going to get it started because it's at an awkward position. I just want to show you what you do. You put your meat. If you're going to make them just by hand, you divide your meat and make them into 4 to 5 inch sticks. But this we're going to put down here in the tube. It may all fit, it may not, I don't know. And I'm moving all over the place, I'm sorry. I think it's all gonna fit. So this is probably good for 1 pound of hamburger. Let me wipe my hands up really quick and we'll continue on. And this thing is so awkward that I am having a hard time with holding it still, and the oven handle is in my way. And then we take this and we just compact it down. And obviously it only goes so far. I actually need more room. All I have is my stovetop, and that's really not very big. Next we'll put the tip on and we'll put the black ring back on. Like so. Next, I'll be squeezing the gun as I'm pulling backwards, and to get, hopefully, a beef stick about 4 to 5 inches. So I'll do a couple of them and then I'll move the cameras because they're already in my way. So wish me luck. And you can use scissors to cut that. Let's try another one. You get the point. I will finish that up and I'll be right back. All right, so it made 23 beef sticks. As you can tell, they are beef and vegetables. Some of them didn't come out real smooth, but that thing is really heavy. So anyway, some are longer than the others, but they are all the same thickness, so that should cook pretty evenly. We'll put it in a preheated 170-degree oven for 4 to 5 hours until they are fully dried and firm to the touch. And you can flip them halfway through for even drying. I am going to put them on 2 different levels of oven racks, but I will swap them at the halfway mark. So after 5.5 hours, these are done. The other batch has probably about another 15 minutes to go. They are firm. They are dry. I'm going to put them on some paper towels just in case. There may be a chance that there's some grease left, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like they're pretty well dried. So we'll let them cool. And when they are totally cool, I'm going to vacuum seal them so they are fresh and well preserved. And then I will put them in the refrigerator until we're ready to taste test them, which won't be until tomorrow. So here are the beef and vegetable beef sticks for dogs. Let's see what Buddy thinks. All right, so we are celebrating Buddy's birthday, and in order to celebrate, I made him some beef and vegetable jerky sticks for dogs. All right, he's got his birthday hat on, so go ahead and give him his little birthday treat. See if he likes it.
I think he does.
He didn't give a thumbs up, though.
Smells pretty good. Ooh, fingers. I'm gonna take a bite.
Oh my goodness. Now that's a bonding moment.
That's pretty good. It's I'll say it's kind of bland, but I mean it's a dog treat. So whatever your recipe was, you could spice it a little bit and make it a people treat.
I can do that. What kind of spicing are you thinking? This does not have any seasonings, of course. It's got carrots, it's got spinach, it's got flaxseed, and then it's got oat flour in it and beef. So,
Well, like I said, it's a little bit bland, but I mean since it's a dog treat, I would expect it to be bland.
well, maybe I'll come up with something for you.
Yeah, even a taco seasoning or something would be good in that. I think maybe I don't know, but other than it was a little bit bland, it tasted good. You liked it, didn't you?
He says, yeah, but I don't like my birthday hat.
He seems to be okay with it.
All right, so you're going to give a thumbs up? All right, even Buddy gave a thumbs up. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.